Hello and very good afternoon to all my dear students. I am Riddhi Sohi from Vani Institute of IELTS and Overseas. My today's topic of discussion is related to the IELTS reading. As we know that students are very much having a terror in their mind and heart regarding this module. They don't feel confident, they feel nervous while doing it. Exactly after training after getting the training of a number of months, they still feel low confidence in reading as regards to the other three modules. What they say, rather, I have heard many of the students saying that reading will depend upon our luck, but I totally contradict this statement. I don't agree with this. We as Vanians, we as the trainers of IELTS in Vani, what we are doing exactly, we are taking the simplest method of doing the reading. We are making the students, we are teaching them, we are making them understand that how to do the reading in a very simple and effective manner. And we are observing from the last many years that this pattern that we are taking in our institute for doing the reading is giving best scores to the students, the desired scores. We are giving session of 2 hours of reading from Tuesday till Friday, and the timings are 12:30 to 2. This is a session of 2 hours that is running from Tuesday till Friday. So here I am here to tell you that everyone, any student, rather any walk-in, it's not necessary that the student should be enrolled. Any walk-in student can come and attend this session of reading, and even you'll see that after attending a session of only 1 week, you would feel exactly confident that now you are doing the reading confidently and by heart. This is not a myth. You can take a demo first, then you can join these sessions. Especially you can join the reading session. I'm not forcing everyone to join all the 4 modules in my institute. You can take the demo for reading as well, because it is the only module that is creating terror in students' mind. So for more details, you can contact, you can visit our office, you can call me, you can call on the displayed numbers for any queries regarding IELTS, regarding PTE, regarding visa services. But the main thing that my motive today was to tell you that reading is a module that could be done confidently by everyone by the simple techniques and strategies that we are giving, and these all strategies are based on realities. This is the skill of our staff that they are showing regarding the language, that how they are teaching the students to take this skill on their hands. So for any queries, you can contact us, you can call. Thank you very much. Goodbye.